Well, I want to give you a tour of our showroom. We are in beautiful Cleveland, Ohio, and it is beautiful this time of year. It's December, and December is, well, maybe not that beautiful. But anyway, it is a cool town. We have the Browns, and it's good now. So anyway, let me give you a quick tour. First, you got to say hi to Ashley. She's like really nice, never gets mad. It's kind of a weird thing, but that's Ashley over there. Next, you're going to see Terry. Oh, she's got her headset on. That's her way of making us think she's actually working. There's Georgia. Georgia's accounting manager, salesperson. I don't know what else she does. Rob's going to hide behind the corner. Probably hates being on camera, but we make him do it anyway just because I antagonize people. It's my job, pretty much is. We'll go back this way. We're going to get to the displays. I had to introduce you to everybody. That's Diane. She gets lucky to sit next to Robbie. Robbie loves to be on camera. He told me that. So he told me to like stay extra long on him because he loves cameras. So anyway, now that I'm done, being a jerk to everybody, let me show you some of the wall panels. So this is called display number one. This first one we put in. This is a pattern called crack cement. This is our #1 bestseller from the first day that we've carried this product to today. It goes well with both browns and it goes well with grays. So it's really kind of very versatile. Over here, we've got a high gloss pattern. I would say a lot of our patterns are matte finish. This one's high gloss, 24 by 12 white. These decorative accent panels you can put in any wall panel. So I could have put it in that crack cement one. Or in this one, you can also incorporate niches, shelves. You'll see seats in another display. Different bases. You're going to see any type of base, whether it's a stone base, acrylic, fiberglass, tile. Tile's evil, but you could do tile if you want. Let me take you to the next room, show you more stuff. So, got to be efficient with this. So, in this room, we have what we call a complete shower kit. Why is it complete? Because you got all the stuff. What is all the stuff? Well, first, we've got a 3/8 inch thick bypass door. You can get different door choices. A stone shower pan. This is a low profile stone pan, weighs 125 pounds, have 2 tons of weight capacity. It's really very cool. These wall panels, I love this bianco marble. To me, this is a very classy looking pattern with the black hexagon. It's kind of fun and different. So this is actually sold as a kit, which kind of saves you money because you group everything together. But let me take you into the next room, show you some more stuff. So with these wall panels, you're not limited to the type of base you use. So this one here is a fiberglass, kind of a commercial grade fiberglass base that's a roll-in base. So, if mom or a family member, has the need to use a wheelchair, this is a great base to do it. With these panels, you can get any type of accessories. So if you want to create more room in your shower, yet have a seat, I love the fold down seat option. This one's very contemporary, kind of folds up, folds down. You've got grab bars, you've got recess niches, come in all sorts of different finishes. The panels can be like a slate texture like this one is, different trim profiles, different joint sizes, really lots of different options. But there's more, as they would say. Over here, you'll see you can have patterns, that you can use, let's say, inside of the bathroom, behind a freestanding tub. This is a ocean blue herringbone. Or over here, behind your sink, if it gets splashed and dirty, these walls will clean up real easy. We used a really cool 45-degree white herringbone over here. So when you look at these wall panels, what you'll see is variety. I've just showed you just some of the displays in our office, but we inventory 29 different stock keeping units. They're all in stock in beautiful Cleveland, Ohio. If you do want to learn more, best way to do that is you can give us a call. We get kind of lonely. You don't have to talk to me. I'm the wackiest of the group in here, so you can talk to the other more sane people. Call 877-668-5888 or go to innovatewallpanels.com. We'd love to show you the tour physically so you can really put your hands on things, or we'd be glad to talk you through any particular project or refer you to one of our installing dealers. Thanks so much.